Good afternoon, MarineMax friends and family. This is Thatcher Smalley with Grand Lake MarineMax. And as you can see today, we're taking a look at a beautiful 2024 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer. This is an awesome cabin cruiser design that gives you the best of both worlds with your open bow and then your cabin underneath. This boat has the beautiful timeless look of the black accents with the full white hull. Also has the white hull bottom. And here from the outside, you can see your full isinglass enclosure. That is great for chilly days like today. This is going to give you access to full climate control in your cockpit, as well as your cabin area. Making our way back here to the swim platform, you're going to see this is lined with your sea deck flooring. This is a great non-slip surface for your high traffic areas on the boat. You're also going to have your automatic drop-down swim platform that's going to give you easy access on and off of your swim platform here on the back of the boat. So this is your isinglass enclosure. Typically, this would be your sun pad area. As you can see, your seat back here. You have your handles fully adjustable. You can swing that open and really open up the space here on your rear swim platform. So making our way into the cockpit, you're going to have full wraparound seating here in your cockpit area. It's going to give you plenty of seating capacity for all your friends and family out on the water. This seat back here is fully adjustable, so you can have that rear facing and allow you to join the conversation here in the cockpit. You have a teak table lined with teak on the top, got fiberglass underneath, stainless steel mount, so this table is super sturdy. And here on your starboard side, you're going to have your wet bar. Underneath here, you have your grill, your sink, fully functional refrigerator, as well as your trash can. You got some additional seats here on your starboard side. Making our way up here to the cockpit, you're going to have your deluxe captain's chair, seating for two with additional thigh bolsters. That's going to give you a great view over the front of this boat. Here at the dash, you have dual 12-inch Simrads. It's going to have all your navigation features as well as boat functions on there. And the rest of your functions are going to be here on your manual switches. You have lights on your left side. And then here on the right, you got windlass functions as well as your bilge pump, bilge blowers, and then your automatic trim tabs as well. This boat is powered by Mercruiser 6.2 liter, 350 horsepower engines. As you can see, you have your dual throttles here. And the twin engines also give you access to joystick navigation, which is great for marina situations as well as docking. You have some TV storage here on your port side. And making our way down into the cabin, you got three beautiful wood steps with grip, avoid you from slipping. You got a beautiful wraparound seating area here at the front. You also have a filler cushion that can take place of this table and give you some additional sleeping area or just sitting area. You got some sleeping arrangements here underneath. Also a filler cushion that can go in the middle and really open up that area. You also have your fridge and your microwave here on your port side. Making our way into the head unit. This is beautifully done by Sea Ray. You got a mirrored cabinet, as well as a beautiful sink, your head, and then tile flooring, which really gives this boat a classy look. So thank you guys for tuning in on this walkthrough of the 2024 Sea Ray 320 Sundancer. If you like this boat or any other boat you see in our online inventory, feel free to contact your local MarineMax and learn more today. Thanks.